The extent and seriousness of the threats remains unclear. So we don't know any more than we did. We just have 3 people. Oh yeah, there's some basis. Well, what is it? Well, I don't know. We can't. Let me tell you something.
Oof! You just hurt your van. Little Scion, what are these people doing? That hurt. I'm scared to move with these people around. I want to hurry up and go, but that person's going to pull out. Are you going to hit it too? Come on, hit it, hit it. He's doing a little bit better. Are you going to try to go out? Are you going to have the ability to go out? What are you doing? Don't hit the wall there.